family business was 24 years in operation, and we had been renting for all of that time. And we were able to find out about Claris and the services that they provided. And through that process, we felt much more confident that we could actually go and construct our own building ourselves with a partner.
I chose Claris Design Build because they came highly recommended from a friend of mine, but also as I learned more about Claris, I began to understand that they're actually similar business-wise to us. They're high quality, they're organized, they get things done when they say they're going to get them done. I was confident that Claris would be that fit.
From the first draft, from the drawing board to the finalized product, you get everything from Claris, and you speak with one project manager or one team, and you don't have to deal with the headache of going to specific subs, etc. Everything is under one hand, under one control, and it's just working perfectly.
They were very flexible on some of our needs that we had to kind of work around to keep our facility running, because we were attaching it to the existing building and had kind of a phase one and a phase two. And they worked with us to really expedite that process to phase two, and we finished it ahead of schedule and under budget.
Phil and his team pivoted with us and helped us come up with creative solutions for all these problems. And I'm incredibly grateful that we were working with them, because they really allowed us to survive this project, because they had the engineers there, because they had the structural guys there, because they could work with us with the site people. We were able to make the whole project work, even though we were literally changing the scope as they were pouring concrete.
I could also tell they were using technology and being really organized about the project, which made me confident that we'd be able to hit the timelines and the budgets that we set.
You need a very strong partner to be able to look after the construction process. And we just really got a great sense right from the start that these were good people, and they recognized this was a huge investment for us. This is the biggest investment of our lives.
They just really envisioned what I wanted to have without me being a visual guy. And when I saw the first renderings, that was a key factor. I could easily understand what they're gonna provide for me. And it looks even better than it looked on the renderings.
It was really a transparent process, and they're always looking to see if there's anything else that we needed. They'd fill us in on where it stood and what the next challenge would be.
Even 5-6 years after, Phil still takes a call if I have a problem. And I really appreciate that.
We did hit challenges. We hit some rock as we were digging the foundation and needed to do blasting. Some of our civil engineering, which was an outside firm, was a little bit off, and so we had some unexpected fill that we needed to bring in. And the guys at Claris just made me feel really comfortable with, although those were setbacks or challenges, they weren't out of the ordinary, and they helped me kind of navigate those and make decisions where there were decision points along the way.
The follow-up work was always right on. I mean, we heard back from them immediately on most things. They were always transparent about inspections and communication with their subcontractors and with the town for approval and so forth.
Claris was able to help get everything coordinated, so we met our own deadlines. When you meet your own deadlines, you're able to move out of your previous location in which you had liabilities, and then start operating and getting back to work. And that really was our objective as a small company. Claris was excellent in taking our project into sections that would allow us to move in and start operating our business, and allowing us to continue the work as follow-up in phase two.
Since working with Claris, we tripled in size, not only sales-wise, also in terms of our team. We're more than 120 employees here now, and obviously everyone needed a home. We're providing a home, like for a family.
By working with Phil Clark and the team at Claris, we're able to bring in and retain better employees. We're able to develop better products. And then from there, we're able to grow our business and deliver better solutions for our customers.
One word that I would use to describe Claris is organized.
Efficient.
Partner.
Execution.
Integrity.
I really developed a relationship with Claris. This was our family legacy that we're building, and Claris was helping us achieve that vision.
What's memorable is the perfect quality, the execution of the project. They exceed my expectations.
Phil and his team consistently showed that they cared about us and our project.
The entire process, to me, was very, very efficient. I'd do it again, and I recommend Claris to anyone.